What is up, guys? Aero Diecast 102 here, and welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to be doing the unboxing and review of the Saudia cargo Boeing 747-8F made by Gemini Jets. But before we do begin with the unboxing, let us first take a quick look on the packaging of the aircraft. Basically, the packaging of the aircraft is the same as on other Gemini Jets model aircrafts. Still the same format. You still have the Gemini Jets logo here, made for collectors, by collectors over there, and you still have the 2D printed image of the aircraft. So their cargo, Boeing 747-8F, and now for the bottom of the box, feel free to pause if you're interested to read. The right side of the box, the top of the box, and the left side of the box. Now at the back, you have the picture of the aircraft climbing, the Gemini Jets logo, and you have other features and information about Gemini Jets. And here you have their website, which is www.geminijets.com, and you have their Facebook page, so feel free to visit them. And this aircraft was a 2016 release. And now for the inside of the box, you have the aircraft over there, and you have the information about the aircraft. So let me zoom in the camera. So feel free to pause if you're interested to read the information. Okay? And now for the unboxing of this beautiful aircraft. Wow, it's pretty heavy. And very beautiful indeed. Okay, so now we have the model aircraft out of the box. Let us take a closer look on this beautiful Boeing 747-8F. Okay. First, you have the cockpit windows, windshield wipers. You have some text in Arabic writing. You have the nose door printing detail. You can see the outline for the openings for the nose loading door. You have some pitot probes. You have the crew door. You have the upper deck. You have the Saudi Arabian flag. And you have the front landing gear, which does roll. And you have the beautiful livery of this aircraft. It is a combination of cream, white, and gold colors, for which the gold line right here separates the cream and the white, which does complement one another. And for the wing section, you have the landing lights. You have the General Electric GENX-2B engines, which are definitely fuel efficient. You have those sharp chevrons at the back, which are used to reduce noise. You have the Saudi Arabian logo here. And for the engine detail inside, you can see the fan blades. Very beautiful engines. And for the distinctive raked wingtip on the 748, you have the red navigation light and you have the pointy tip. Now for the middle section of the aircraft, you have a big Saudia cargo titles, one in English and one in Arabic. Then on the rear section of the aircraft, you have the rear loading door. And then you have the registration, which is Hotel Zulu dash Alpha 14. You have the Saudi Arabian logo on the tail section. You have the horizontal stabilizers. You have the APU exhaust system. And let us move on to the right side of the aircraft. Let's first start with the tail section. The same detail as on the left side, you still have the Saudi Arabian cargo logo. The same titles, Saudi Cargo. You have the registration again, Hotel Zulu dash Alpha 14. You have the same engines, the same wing detail. And by the way, the wings are realistic. You have the flaps, slats, ailerons, and spoilers all in the right place. And you have a green navigation light this time on the right side. And the same detailing for the front section. You have the cockpit windows once more. You have the nose cone cargo door opening outline right here. You have some static ports, pitot probes. You have a small door right here. You have the upper deck windows. You have the Saudi Arabia flag. And you have some baggage doors here on this aircraft. So one on the front and two at the back of the aircraft. Now let us take a look on the top view of the aircraft. You have the emergency exit for the pilots in the cockpit section. You have strobe lights at the top. You have 3 antennas on this aircraft. One here and 2 at the back. Now for the underside of the aircraft, you have the Saudi Arabian Airlines logo here on the nose door. So if the nose door opens in real life, it will open like this. You will be able to see this logo right here. And then you have the front landing gear doors. And again, the landing gear does roll. You have the Gemini Jets logo, a stand hole, some doors for the main landing gears, which does roll and tilt as well. Then for the underside of the wing, you have the registration once more, Hotel Zulu dash Alpha 14. You have the raked wingtip. And same detailing as on the other wing. And moving on, you have some more vents. And finally, you have the APU access door. I do hope, guys, you've enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Saudia Cargo Boeing 747-8F. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys!